Hey there, fellow parents. Long flights with babies can be a daunting prospect, but with the right preparation, it can be a smooth and enjoyable experience. We all know the challenges of keeping a little one entertained and comfortable in a confined space for hours on end. That's why today we're diving into the essential items that can make your journey with baby much easier and stress-free. Buckle up. We've got some great tips coming your way. Comfort is absolutely key when traveling with a baby, especially on a long flight. A lightweight travel stroller is a must-have for navigating airports and getting around your destination. For those times when you need hands-free, a comfortable baby carrier will keep your little one close and secure. A soft, breathable blanket provides warmth and security, while a travel-sized white noise machine can create a soothing and familiar sound to help your baby relax and drift off to sleep. These simple items can make a huge difference in keeping your baby comfortable and happy throughout your journey. Keeping your little one engaged during a long flight is essential. Pack a variety of age-appropriate toys and books to keep them entertained. Think soft toys with different textures, interactive books with flaps and sounds, and even small, lightweight musical instruments. For older babies, consider a tablet with age-appropriate apps or videos. Variety is key to prevent boredom, so mix it up with different activities throughout the flight. Remember to choose toys that are easy to clean and won't make a lot of noise, as to not disturb fellow passengers. Feeding time on a long flight doesn't have to be stressful. Pack a portable bottle warmer to ensure your little one has warm milk or formula whenever they need it. Choose travel-friendly snacks like pouches, puffs, or soft fruit that are easy to eat and won't create a mess. And don't forget a changing pad for those inevitable diaper changes. Being prepared with these essentials will make feeding time a breeze and keep your baby happy and comfortable throughout the flight. So there you have it, our essential list for keeping your baby comfortable and entertained on long flights. Remember to pack light, utilize travel-sized versions of your baby's necessities, and prioritize items that offer both comfort and entertainment. Don't be afraid to ask for help from flight attendants. And remember that every journey with a baby is a learning experience. Most importantly, have confidence in yourself as a parent and enjoy the adventure. Traveling with a baby can be a rewarding experience, filled with precious moments that you'll cherish forever.